Hey, have you heard about the Intro to Ruby programming course by Elet Solutions?
Yes, I have. It's a great opportunity to learn Ruby programming online.
I've been looking to learn Ruby programming for a while now. What makes this course special?
This course is designed for beginners and aspiring web developers. It starts with the basics of Ruby programming, including operators, variables, and conditional statements.
That sounds perfect for me. What else will I learn?
You will build on this foundation with intermediate and advanced concepts in Ruby, with practical, hands-on application and examples every step of the way.
That's great. What kind of project will I build by the end of the course?
By the end of the course, you will apply your skills to build a math flashcard game that you can add to your portfolio, and gain the fundamental knowledge you need to start creating more projects with Ruby.
That's amazing. I've heard that Ruby and Ruby on Rails are in high demand in the job market. Is that true?
Yes, it is. Proficiency in Ruby and its accompanying framework, Ruby on Rails, is a marketable skill, with growing demand for Ruby and Rails developers in the job market.